Do you want to post 3-minute reel on Instagram? You can upload a 3-minute video on Instagram with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To post a 3-minute reel on Instagram, first, update the Instagram app from the Google Play Store or App Store if a new version is available. Once updated to the latest version, open the Instagram app. Now, tap the plus icon at the bottom center or swipe right from your home screen to open the camera. Select Reel from the bottom options. A new screen will appear. At the top of the screen, tap on the camera icon. On the left side of the screen, tap the length icon. Once you tap it, options will appear showing 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 60 seconds, and 3 minutes. Select the 3-minute option from here. Now, you can either upload a video from your device gallery or record a new one using the camera button. You can also add effects, music, and stickers as you would with any regular reel.